Hello everyone and welcome to today's video where we're going to talk about lemons and abundance and love. I know that sounds really wild, but lemons are the highest vibrational fruit that I know of, and traditionally speaking, lemons have a long history of being able to detect energies and also being able to clear energies. So first, there's this really interesting theory that if you put a lemon in every room of your house and you leave it sit there, the lemons that totally rot and just mold and become really weird are detecting negative energy in the space. And the lemons that just dry up and sort of become dried up and don't really mold and don't really have anything happen to them, besides they just dry up and become really hard and dry. Those are the rooms that have the highest energy. Now, I've tested this out and I found it to be really interesting. When my home is higher and lighter, when my kitchen is super deep clean, I've noticed that lemons tend to stay fresher longer. In fact, lemons tend to not do anything in my house. They stay, they're perfect. Even the ones that last a little bit longer, that don't get used as quickly, those still maintain their wellness. Like this lemon's been around for a while and it's still pretty good. So I'm very impressed. It's a Meyer lemon, so it looks kind of like an orange. So lemons have this extrasensory perception according to some people. But what's more interesting is that lemons have a long history of bringing super high vibes into your space. So traditionally speaking, 9 lemons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I have 10 today. I don't really count, but 9 lemons, a bowl of lemons, putting a bowl of lemons out in your house can be an incredible magnet for love. Now, why does this matter? When you raise the energy in your space, and that's what all of Feng Shui is, raising the energy of your space. When you raise the energy of your space, you raise the energy of you. Your space is a reflection of you. So when the energy in your home becomes higher and lighter and brighter, you tend to stay higher and lighter and brighter. Now, before you put your lemons out in a bowl in your house, do a little house cleaning, open some windows, freshen things up, and even better, below you will find a link to the video series that is happening now, which is so big. It's an hour of incredible Feng Shui rituals, my favorite, to bring in more love and bring in more abundance in the process. So when you do a ritual of cleaning or clearing or opening windows and getting the energy flowing before you put something like a bowl of lemons or anything else in your house, what you're doing is setting up the environment. You're getting rid of the old so that the new can really flourish in your space. This is super important. So guys, right now, one of the best things that you can do for your life always is to clean up, clear things up, and get the energy flowing. But when you really want to magnetize something new, a symbolic gesture like these beautiful lemons in a bowl can be amazing. Use the lemons and keep refilling them. I use these every day, all the time. I always drink water with lemon, thanks to Anthony William, the medical medium, who explained that when you put lemon in water, and not hot water, but lemon in your regular drinking water, it becomes more hydrating, it becomes more alive. And that's really powerful. Use them in cooking, use them in cleaning. Use these lemons and keep refilling them. And you can put them in even unusual places. I keep my big bowl of lemons on my dining room table and I love it. It's a constant reminder for me to keep the vibes high. I have also kept lemons on my coffee table. I have kept lemons in my kitchen, obviously. I've put lemons in all different places to raise the energy, even in my office, to raise the energy really high. And when you raise the energy really high, what you're doing is literally magnetizing more to you that you want. High energy, feeling great is the way to bring everything into your life. It's why the love camp, the immersion camp that I do every year with a big group of people, is known as the manifestation camp. It's because it brings so much greatness into people's lives. It brings so much greatness into people's spaces to live with more love. And it can be as simple as some super high vibe citrus. So a quick one, but a really fun one, and something that is easy for just about everyone to do. So grab yourself a bowl of lemons, clean up your house, get the energy flowing. It doesn't matter if it's 9 or 10 or 4 or 3, whatever feels abundant to you. Traditionally it's 9, some people say 8. Just bring in those high vibes, put them on display, use them, refill them, and let it be a symbol of constantly flowing love and abundance. And when you bring that to your space, you bring that to your life. And again, don't forget to sign up below for the free videos because you don't want to miss them. They happen once a year. They're so big and they're all about creating space for more love and abundance to flow freely, which means more manifestation to flow freely, which is what we all love. So it's below. Leave your comments below. Any questions you have. Thank you so much, and I'll be back soon. Bye.